Welcome to the Cashflow Quest. This is the game where you stop talking about building a business and you finally do it. You're about to build your identity, your presence, and your first streams of cash flow one mission at a time. Each day you will be given a simple yet powerful task. None of this is theory, none of this is fluff. Just real moves that build real business skills. With every mission training a new muscle. From branding, communication, offers, systems, and sales. Do it right, and by the end, you won't just look like a business owner, you'll move like one. You see, most people quit before the momentum kicks in. They chase the next thing. They dream, but never execute. That's not you. You're here to build a real business. And the Cashflow Quest is how you prove it. Towards the end of this quest, you'll choose your cashflow path. Whether you sell items for quick cash or offer a skill as a service, you'll simulate real deals, real conversations, and real wins. Complete the Cashflow Quest or become a power user through consistently logging in every single day for the next 14 days. By doing this, you will unlock the Mission Center. So along the Cashflow Quest, you have two options. Either through effort by completing every single video in the Cashflow Quest, or by consistently showing up every single day for the next 14 days. As always, the choice is yours. Unlocking the Mission Center means gaining access to deeper training, real-time feedback from myself and my team, and advanced business tools. For the Cashflow Quest, you don't need any experience. You don't need startup capital to put money into this. You simply need consistency, action, and a little guidance. And that's exactly what the Cashflow Quest does for you. You will have support every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? This is your quest. This is your time. You are now the main character. Let's start building.